What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to this channel, hello, what's up, what's good? My name is Shara and I am super happy to have you here. For today's video, I'm going to be doing an eye tutorial on this little fun look I did. I wanted to experiment with the invisible liner look, and if you do not know what the invisible liner look is, I'll go ahead and do a little close-up just so you guys can take a look at the eye look and check out what I have going on. So this right here is like the invisible liner look, where it's obviously invisible, there's no liner here, but I did create this like cut crease right up in here just to kind of wing it out and show you just a little something something. So yes, I definitely love the way that the eyes turned out, and it has a lot of like really pretty mermaid vibes. That's what I'm getting right now, is definitely the mermaid vibes with like the purple and like the turquoise colors. And with this whole eye and face tutorial, I am also doing my 10K giveaway. Just recently, I hit 10,000 subscribers, which I'm super thankful for. It still blows my mind that I'm at 10K, even though it's not many at all, but I'm super thankful for it, and I definitely wanted to give back to you guys. So I do have that giveaway going on in this video. That will be towards the end after we complete the whole look, of course. So without further ado, if you do want to see how I go ahead and do this look, then just keep watching. Start off with my brows. I'm using the Makeup Revolution brow pomade in dark brown, and I'm also deepening up the shade from this Makeup Revolution pomade with the Anastasia brow pomade in ebony. So I'm kind of basically going between both of these pomades to deepen up my brows, fully out my brows, kind of get that harshness out, get the blend right, and then I'm going to be going in with the NYX Full Coverage Concealer to clean up my brows. You obviously know that is my go-to. Absolutely love this concealer to clean up the brows. Now I'm applying some Tarte Shape Tape on the lids just to use as an eyeshadow base. So for this eye look, I used a custom palette that I built, and it's between Makeup Geek shadows and Colourpop shadows. So this first shadow is in Swine, and I'm just applying that in the transition area. Then I'm going to go in with Pretty in Pink and then apply that over it, just slowly building it up. Then I'm going to go in with Cocoa Bear, and I'm going to start on the outer V and kind of start swooping it over, and I'm going above the crease area because this is where we're going to create the cut crease, and as you can see, I'm just slowly deepening that shade. Cutting my crease with the Colourpop No Filter concealer, and I am just basically putting that on my lid and just kind of getting it as symmetrical as I can with my other eye. So I'm going to pick up the shade Sassy, and I'm going to start packing that on the inner half of the lid where the cut crease starts. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Aloha, and I'm going to finish off the rest of that cut crease and start packing that on the outer part of the lid. And as I'm doing this, I am slowly just blending both these shadows together so it just looks super seamless. Now I'm going to start with the visible liner. Going to pick up the Tarte Shape Tape and a liner brush, and I'm just going to start carving out where I want the liner to start to look invisible. So I'm starting halfway on the lid and then slowly bringing that up, and I'm going to slowly create a wing as I am bringing that up. So pretty much all of the shadow that is below that line is going to be invisible. We're going to clean that up, as you can see right here, and yeah, we're just going to just mess with it and figure out how far, how big, and how sharp we want that wing. Picking up the liquid crystal liner in Crystal Pewter, and I'm going to start applying that where the cut crease of the invisible liner is. Don't apply it right in the concealer area, apply it right above where the shadow is. It will make the liner pop that much more. Using a detailer brush and picking up the shade Mocha, and I'm going to start deepening the cut crease, and then I'm going to deepen that even more with this shadow Corrupt. And don't forget, once you've deepened the area, make sure you start blending upwards just so it isn't super harsh of a line and it all kind of flows right into the eye look. So that is everything for the eyes for right now. We're going to go right into the face real quick, hitting up Maybelline's Baby Skin Primer, and then I'm going to go in with City Colors Photo Chic Color Corrector and hit that up on the under eye. eyes. Applying Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation as well as Rimmel's 25-Hour Longwear Foundation. I like mixing the two at the moment. And then you'll shortly see I am taking a blending brush and I'm also just blending around the invisible liner just so it all flows and kind of looks all together. Then going back in with my Colourpop concealer and highlighting. Contouring my nose using the NYX Contour and Highlighting Palette. Love, love, love this contour shade. And then I'm going to start setting my face. So I'm going to start off with using Ulta Beauty Setting Powder and Banana, and I'm going to be hitting all the highlighted areas. And then I'm going to go in with Urban Decay's HD powder, and I'm hitting that on the rest of the face. And then contouring with a Photo Focus foundation that is a couple shades darker. And then hitting up some Kat Von D blush. Love this combo together. Now baking with Airspun's translucent powder. Actually have been liking the powder. I'm still messing around with it, but I've been digging it lately. Going back into the eyes with the shade Shimma Shimma, and I'm going to be highlighting the brow bone. Then I'm just going to pick up a blending brush and just kind of blend all that together just so it all blends together. And then going in with a detailer brush and smudging out the Cocoa Bear shadow on the lower lash line. Now going in with my favorite mascara, L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise, and using that on my lower lashes. And now for the false lashes, just going to apply that, and these are in Red Cherry's Berkeley's. Now for that highlight, we're going to go in with the Holographic Halo highlighters in Mesmerizing, and I'm just going to hit that on the highlighted areas. Love this highlighter. Now going back in with Shimma Shimma, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners. And I'm just going to finish up the lashes with binding them together and applying some mascara and tight lining. And then for the lip, I'm using Lime Crime's Lippy in Riley. Absolutely love this color. It's been one of my go-tos lately. And after all that is said and done, here is the final look. You guys enjoyed that look. It was definitely a fun look for me to do. If you have come this far, let's go ahead and get on with the giveaway. I have 2 winners for this giveaway, and what they're going to be receiving is a bunch of goodies. Goodies. They're pretty much like very similar in what's in both of them. There is a few differences here and there. Some things I just couldn't get the same of, so I kind of gave you an extra something to kind of even it out. In this bag, you're going to be getting a Smashbox set. It has a primer, I believe a highlighter, mascara, and a lipstick, which is super fun and cute, and it does come in this like really cute fun box. A Too Faced Liquid Metallic Lipstick, an e.l.f. HD Blush, Palladio Liquid Liner. There's actually quite a few Palladio things in here. Let me just go ahead and pull those out. There is these little Palladio Duo Shadows, as well as this Palladio eyeliner right here, a Butter Me Up, what is this, a sheer lip balm, a Peach Slices sheet mask, Body Shop moisturizer, some Pacifica Kale Detox face wash, as well as a Pacifica Day and Night face cream, Duo chapstick. It has like a duo end, but I'm giving you one end and it kind of like sticks together. These are actually really good chapsticks. It's what I'm using right now actually. Love those. The NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and these have 3 of them in it. You get Copenhagen, Vancouver, and Havana in this. Definitely love these shades. I do have some Nicole OPI nail polishes. The last few things in this bag is Too Faced La Creme Color Drenched Lip Cream. And this one is in the shade Mean Girls. It's just like this super pretty hot pink. And then I have this Tarte Kissin' Makeup Bracelet, this hair and ear cuff chain thing. That is everything for this first bag right here. So you're getting quite a bit of goodies. These are just things that I've kind of accumulated for this giveaway because I knew I wanted to give away a bunch of good stuff once I reached 10,000 subscribers. For this one, like I said, it's pretty much the same thing. There's a few things that might be different in both the bags, but it's pretty much the same. Of course, I'm also giving away another Smashbox kit, an e.l.f. exfoliator, a Too Faced Liquid Metallic Lipstick, another Milani Shadow Pencil. It's not the soft matte lip creams. these are the butter glosses, but definitely some fun colors, so couldn't resist. The Pacifica Pore Refine Deep Detox Mask. And then I have the Pacifica Hairvana Leave On Conditioner. A Wish Mud Mask. I have a beauty sponge in here. And you won't be getting the Tarte bracelet. You'll be getting this super cute like rose bracelet right here, which I think is so cute. A Body Shop shower gel. As far as Palladio goes, you'll be getting the liquid liner. Of course, I've included the duo shadows in this one, as well as the Butter Me Up sheer color lip balm, and then a liner as well. Also be including a Peach Slices sheet mask, 2 OPI Nicole nail polishes, and then another duo chapstick. NYX Loose Glitter Pigment. This one is in 07. I don't know which one is 07. Just says 07. It's white and it has like a little bit of a iridescent to it. Super pretty. And then last, you'll also be getting the cute hair and ear cuff jewelry thing that we got going on. So yeah, that is everything for these giveaways. And like I said, 2 of you guys will be winning, which I'm super stoked about. And the rules for this giveaway, you'll obviously have to be subscribed to this beauty channel, as well as my vlogging channel, which I'll list down below. Actually, all the links will be listed down below, so if you have any issues with that, just check in the description. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. And once you have completed all of the giveaway rules, which I will be checking, just comment your Instagram handle in the comment section below and let me know what you're up to or what you're looking forward to once summertime hits, because I know I'm super ready for the summer and beach mode and all of that. So yes, let me know what's up. And I am running this giveaway for a month just so everyone can get in on it. I'll have the giveaway last up until April 6th. On April 6th, I will be announcing the giveaway via Instagram and will be DMing you on Instagram. I just feel like I can get in touch with people better on Instagram versus messaging them on here through YouTube. Hence the reason why I need you guys to DM me your Instagram handle down below so I can get up with you way easier, way quicker. This giveaway is going to be picked randomly, so everyone has a fair shot at winning if you have followed the giveaway rules correctly. Yeah, I guess that is everything for this video. Like this video if you enjoyed watching the tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'd greatly appreciate it. I'll also list my Twitter, my Facebook page, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my vlogging channel, all of that and everything that you need for the giveaway down below as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.